Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am telling you hair accessories. So this is bulk set hair clip and hair hoop and butterfree small hair clip, and the next is bunny hair clips, and the next is Korean clips, and the next one is Bloom Chick collection hair clip, and the next one is colorful hair clips, and pom pom fluff hair claws clip, and bling spring claw clips, and lamp hair juda stick, and the next is flower hair clip, and the next one is hair accessories, and the next is snow spell clips, and the next one is jasmine hair clip, and the next one is pastels beady hair clip, and leaf style hair clip, and hair clip set, and the next one is bow and lotus hair clip, and the next one is butterfly hair clip, and the next one is tassel hair clip, and combo Korean hair clips, and morangi color